Hey folks, today's review is of the Wayne CDU790, a 13 HP cast iron and stainless steel submersible sump pump with an integrated vertical float switch. This is more of a heavy-duty option, especially for basements or locations where you need reliable, long-term performance. Let's talk specs. It claims up to 4,600 gallons per hour flow rate with standard 1.5-inch NPT discharge. Material is robust cast iron volute, epoxy-coated steel motor housing, stainless steel fasteners. The vertical float switch is built for longevity, marketed as tested for 1 million cycles. Also, dimensions and weight are heavier stuff. Weighs till 16 pounds, more rugged than portable thermoplastic models. Voltage 120 V, designed for indoor use. Warranty is 3 years. What are users saying? Pretty positive overall. Many reviews praise its quiet operation, sturdy build, and its capacity to handle heavy water flow without clogging. Some say it works much better than the cheaper plastic pumps. A few mention that the float switch requires proper positioning and that installation has to match basin size. It fits 11-inch or larger basins. Some very minor complaints about price versus simpler models, but most seem satisfied. What I like, the durability is top tier. Cast iron plus stainless steel equals you can expect greater toughness, especially in hostile conditions. The float switch of high cycle count is a huge plus, meaning less maintenance on automatic activation or deactivation. The discharge size and rate make it capable in serious sump or flood situations. Also, many users report quieter than expected sound. What I dislike or watch out for: heavier, bulkier, might cost more, not ideal for small, shallow pits. Since it's for indoor or sump use, cannot be submerged outside without protection. Corrosion and rust possible if used improperly. Float switch installation has to be done correctly. Also, flow rate drops significantly at lift heights above minimal head, so performance claims at zero head are impressive, but in real setups head matters. Final verdict: if you need a dependable, rugged sump pump and want something built for serious usage, the Wayne CDU790 is hard to beat. It's more of an investment, but seems worth it for the reliability. If you like this kind of in-depth review, don't forget, we share by links in description box so you can check it out. See you next video.